Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make this little drapery fold that is a beautiful element to add to a card front, and with a simple embellishment, you have a quick and easy card. And so to start with, you need a piece of designer paper. This one is from the Fresh Florals Designer Series paper pack in Lemon Lime Twist. And we're going to need to do some cutting. So on each 4 3/4 inch side, we are going to mark at the 3/4 inch line up here. Just make a little tick mark. Okay, so I'm lining that up on 3/4 of an inch. Make a little mark. And then I'm going to flip it and do it on the opposite upper corner. Okay, also on the other 3/4 inch side. 4 3/4 inch side, I should say. That's a 3/4 inch mark. And now we're going to line up those tick marks, one at the top and one down here at the bottom. Let's see if I can do this sideways like this. And put that right on that cutting track. Each of the marks right on the cutting track. Okay, I think that's going to do us, and then make a slice. All right, so now we have two, and that you can save the other one to make another card. So now we need to do some scoring. And so I'm going to take my Simply Scored scoring tool, and I'm going to start with the wider end on the left-hand side, and we're going to make some scoring lines at 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. And then what we're going to be doing are some accordion folds. So let me take this, and I'm just going to start doing the simple fan or accordion fold, and just come on over like this. And there you have a really pretty element to use on the front of a card. So here is a finished card again. So I urge you to take your designer paper and just cut it like I showed, and you can make a pretty fancy fold element for the front of a handmade card. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.